Hey fitness fam, welcome back to Diet and Exercise. Today we're talking about one of the most famous casts of Thor, Chris Hemsworth. When Chris Hemsworth was cast as Thor in 2009, he was far from the muscular Norse god we know today. Standing at 6'3", Hemsworth was lean and athletic, but he needed to pack on serious muscle to embody the mighty Thor. Over the next few months, Hemsworth underwent an intense transformation that would change his life and career forever. Hemsworth's challenge was monumental. He needed to gain 20 pounds of lean muscle mass, increase his strength dramatically, improve his overall athleticism, and achieve a physique worthy of a Norse god. To accomplish this, Hemsworth worked with renowned celebrity trainer and former Navy SEAL Duffy Gaver. Together, they crafted a grueling workout routine and strict diet plan that would push Hemsworth to his limits. Let's dive into the key components of Hemsworth's Thor transformation. 5 exercises and 5 diet tips that were crucial to his success. Exercise 1. The Thor Hammer. This full-body movement targets multiple muscle groups and builds explosive power. To perform this exercise, hold a dumbbell vertically by one end with both hands. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent. Bring the dumbbell to one side of your body. In one explosive movement, bring the dumbbell up and over your head. As you bring it down on the other side, rotate your hips and pivot on your back foot. Return to the starting position and repeat. Hemsworth did 3 sets of 5 on each side, using a heavy weight that challenged him but also allowed for proper form. Diet tip number 1. High protein intake. Hemsworth consumed about 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily, around 200 grams for someone his size. His diet included lean sources of protein such as chicken breast, turkey, fish, especially salmon, egg whites, lean beef. He typically ate 6 to 8 meals per day, each containing a significant portion of protein. A favorite meal was chicken breast with brown rice and steamed vegetables. Exercise 2. Asgardian Squats. This variation of the barbell back squat builds powerful legs and overall strength. To perform this exercise, start with a barbell across your upper back, feet shoulder-width apart. Lower into a squat position, keeping your chest up and core tight. Pause for 2 to 3 seconds at the bottom. Explode upwards to return to the starting position. At the top, perform a calf raise by rising onto your toes. Lower your heels and repeat. Hemsworth performed 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps, using a challenging weight that allowed for proper form. Diet tip 2. Meal timing. Hemsworth meal timing was crucial for fueling workouts and promoting muscle growth. His typical schedule: pre-workout meal, complex carbs and protein. Post-workout shake, fast-absorbing protein and simple carbs. Post-workout meal, lean protein and complex carbs, and 3 to 4 more meals spread throughout the day. The key was to never go more than 3 hours without eating, keeping his metabolism high and providing a constant supply of nutrients to his growing muscles. Exercise 3. Mjolnir Farmer's Walks. This exercise builds overall body strength, particularly in the forearms, traps, and core. To perform this exercise, pick up a heavy dumbbell or kettlebell in each hand. Stand tall with shoulders back and core engaged. Walk forward with controlled steps for a set distance or time. Every 5 steps, perform a shoulder shrug while continuing to walk. Hemsworth typically performed 3 sets, walking for 40 to 50 seconds each set, using challenging weights. Diet tip 3. Carb cycling. Hemsworth used carb cycling to maximize muscle growth while minimizing fat gain. His typical week: Monday, Wednesday, Friday, high carb days because of training days. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, moderate carb days as it's light training or rest days. Sunday, low carb day as it's complete rest day. On high carb days, he consumed around 2 grams of carbs per pound of body weight, focusing on complex carbs like brown rice, quinoa, and sweet potatoes. On low carb days, he dropped about 0.5 grams per pound, mainly from vegetables and small portions of whole grains. Exercise 4. Asgardian Pullups. This pull-up variation builds a wide, powerful back. To perform this exercise, hang from a pull-up bar with an overhand grip, hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Pull yourself up until your chin is over the bar. Hold this position for 2 seconds. Lower yourself down slowly, taking 4 seconds to reach the bottom. Without pausing at the bottom, immediately pull yourself up again. Hemsworth typically did 4 sets to failure, usually managing 8 to 12 reps per set. Diet tip 4. Strategic cheat meals. Once a week, usually on a high-carb day, Hemsworth was allowed a cheat meal. This served to provide a psychological break from strict dieting, boost metabolism, and replenish glycogen stores. These weren't all-out binges. A typical cheat meal might be a burger with sweet potato fries or a pizza with a lot of veggies. The key was to enjoy the cheat meal, but get right back on track with the next meal. Exercise 5. Valkyrie Lunges. This exercise builds lower body strength, improves balance, and enhances overall athleticism. To perform this exercise, start standing with feet hip-width apart, holding dumbbells at your sides. Take a large step forward with your right foot, lowering your body until both knees are bent at 90-degree angles. Push off your right foot to stand back up, but instead of returning to the starting position, bring your right foot behind you into a reverse lunge. Continue alternating between forward and reverse lunges, all on the same leg. After completing all reps on one side, switch to the other leg. Hemsworth typically did 3 sets of 10 forward-reverse lunge combinations per leg. Diet tip 5. Proper hydration. Hemsworth aimed to drink at least 1 gallon, or 3.8 liters, of water per day. Proper hydration was crucial for supporting muscle function during workouts, aiding in recovery and reducing muscle soreness, helping to control appetite, and maintaining overall health and well-being. He would often add natural electrolytes to his water, such as a squeeze of lemon or a pinch of sea salt, to help replace minerals lost through sweat during his intense workouts. Exercise 6. Kettlebell swings. This explosive exercise builds power in the posterior chain and improves cardiovascular fitness. To perform this exercise, stand with feet shoulder-width apart, holding a kettlebell with both hands. Hinge at the hips, swinging the kettlebell between your legs. Explosively drive your hips forward, swinging the kettlebell up to chest height. Let the kettlebell fall back down naturally, hinging at the hips again to absorb the momentum. Repeat in a fluid motion. Hemsworth would typically do 5 sets of 20 swings, using a heavy kettlebell that challenged him but allowed for proper form. Exercise 7. Bench press. No superhero workout is complete without the classic bench press for building chest strength and size. To perform this exercise, lie on a flat bench with your feet on the ground. Grip the barbell slightly wider than shoulder width. Lower the bar to your chest, keeping your elbows at about a 45-degree angle to your torso. Press the bar back up to the starting position. Hemsworth would perform 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps using a weight that was challenging but allowed for proper form. Exercise 8. Deadlifts. Deadlifts are crucial for building overall strength, particularly in the back, legs, and core. To perform this exercise, stand with feet hip-width apart, toes under the barbell. Hinge at the hips and bend your knees to grasp the bar with hands just outside your legs. Keeping your back straight, drive through your heels and stand up, lifting the bar. Lower the bar back to the ground with control. Hemsworth would typically do 3 sets of 5 reps using heavy weights to build strength and power. Chris Hemsworth's transformation into Thor is a testament to what can be achieved with dedication, hard work, and the right approach to training and nutrition. While not all of us have the time, resources, or need to achieve a godlike physique, we can all learn from Hemsworth's journey. Consistency is crucial. Hemsworth maintained his intense routine for months. Nutrition is just as important as exercise. You can't out-train a bad diet. Rest and recovery are essential. Even Norse gods need their sleep. Gradually increase intensity. Hemsworth didn't start with this intense routine. He built up to it. Find a routine you enjoy. Hemsworth grew to love the challenge of his workouts. Remember, transformations like this take time, effort, and often professional guidance. always consult with healthcare professionals before starting any new exercise or diet regimen. While we might not all be able to become Thor, we can all strive to be the strongest, healthiest versions of ourselves. If you found Chris's journey as inspiring as we did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing stories from the world of fitness and transformation. Thanks for watching, and remember, with passion and persistence, you can achieve your own transformation. See you next time.